Hello viewers, welcome to the channel Amazing Civil Engineering Studies. In today's video we are going to discuss about what is floor space index. What is the floor space index? Floor space index, FSI, is the ratio between the total area of the plot to the constructed area of the plot. It is also known as the floor area ratio, FAR. Floor space index equals constructed area of the plot total area of the plot. Assume you have a 2,000 square foot plot area where you have built a building, ground floor alone, in 1,500 square foot and left the remaining space for a garden. Now the FSI equals 1,500 2,000 equals 0.75. The constructed area also adds up if you build the second floor. For example, if you build 1,000 square foot on the ground floor and 1,000 square foot on the first floor, then the total constructed area becomes 2,000 square foot. Ground floor 1,000 square foot and first floor 1,000 square foot. Now the FSI equals 2,000/2,000 equals 1. Why do we need FSI? Every person on earth wants to get ownership of their belongings to its fullest extent. No one wants to share their property with others. If it happens with everyone, then it will be hard for the environment to maintain its generosity. It also impacts the urban development of the city. It will become hard for people to get fresh air. It will become hard for people to commute. It will become hard for people to park their vehicle and so on. It will become difficult for people to maintain the environment's greenery. The road becomes more traffic and polluted. Assume you have built a building of 2,000 square foot ground floor and first floor within your budget on a 2,000 square foot plot area. Your neighbor constructed a building of 5,000 square foot where 12 families are planning to move in. Imagine the traffic scenario and pollution brought up by the community to the smaller area. That's why the government has introduced FSI regulation. How is FSI calculated? An individual does not calculate FSI for a city. It is a guideline by the Directorate of Town and Country Planning, DTCP, department for every city and depends on many factors such as plot size, road width, type of the building, residential or commercial, transit-oriented development zones, influential zones, premium FSI, population growth, current population of city, infrastructure. FSI for different cities. As you can see from the above factors, it is not constant throughout the country. It varies. So it is advisable to check your locality's FSI as per the DTCP department. FSI can be anywhere from 1.2 to 5.0 for rural areas. Again, the below values are not constant. DTCP will regulate it from time to time. See table. Residential construction area calculation. Let's see an example of a construction area calculation for a residential building in a 1000 square feet plot. Assuming the locality we are going to construct is having FSI value as 2. Then the area we can build is 1000 times 2 equals 2000 square foot. We can either construct it as 3 floors of 500 square foot, or we can build it as a single floor of 2000 square feet. It is up to our choice, also depending on the below factors. To compliance to the DTCP regulations, you have to provide minimum setback around the building, built within max ground coverage, provide an adequate parking area. The balcony and terrace can be excluded from the floor space index area. Only covered areas will be included in the calculation. Benefits of FSI. Following FSI regulations will be beneficial to both the owner and the town city. It provides adequate fresh air and sunlight. It ensures the ratio of open and developed space of the city. It ensures the layout of the city-town. It ensures the planned growth of the area. It provides adequate commute facility for the locals. It preserves the environment and controls the pollution. What is Premium FSI? You probably heard of Premium FSI. It is nothing but an extra FSI ratio allocated by the government to a premium fee by the developer. To avail of this benefit, the width of the road should be a minimum of 30 feet. The premium FSI number varies from 20 to 40% than the allowable limit according to the width of the road, 30 to 60 feet. Example calculation. Assuming you have paid a premium fee to get extra premium FSI of 20%. Now, how much area can be constructed? Total construction area equals area of plot times normal FSI times premium FSI, assuming you have 2000 square foot of the plot. Total construction area equals 2000 times 1.5 times 120% equals 3600 square foot. Advantages of floor space index. F.S.I may be considered as a restriction on construction, but it has many advantages to the city. It helps to maintain the ratio of open space to built-up space in an area. It ensures a clear skyline to the area. Good FSI values ensure good development of the project. It helps to maintain equilibrium between sustained, planned growth and development is important. Disadvantages of floor space index. Lower floor space index leads to restrictions on the development of the city. If the floor space index is too high, then it results in a non-environment friendly and haphazard development of the city. Thanks for watching. For now, please subscribe, like, share and do not forget to press bell icon.